Hi guys, back again here to talk about this idea of financial infidelity. That's a term that we've been hearing a lot, seeing a lot, and so I'd like to break it down just a little bit for you in the context of a divorce case. Now, there can be a lot of reasons why you and your spouse are going through a divorce. One thing to keep in mind is Indiana is a no-fault state, which means that neither you nor your spouse need to prove anything in order to get the divorce. There's no fault-based grounds that must be demonstrated in order for the court to grant your divorce. The only thing that you need to show is that there's been an irretrievable breakdown of the marriage and that you and your spouse are better suited returning back to the state of being a single person in the legal sense. And so oftentimes when we're working with divorce clients, one of the reasons that brought them to my office is this financial infidelity or other financial issues or concerns. Very, very common, especially in this day and age where money transactions are occurring in a number of different ways. If you believe that your spouse has been hiding assets, has been spending money to the point that your marital estate is going into debt or default, if you believe your spouse has hidden bank accounts or investment portfolios that you don't know about, it's okay if you don't know these things going into the divorce, because that's what the discovery process is for. It's the opportunity to request all financial information and corresponding documentation, and also to receive that information. And so if you believe there's a chance that this is going on, it's important to make note of that and to let your attorney know, even at the initial consultation, so that you can craft a strategy together on how to obtain that information. And there's a number of different ways that we can do that. So rest assured there. If during the marriage you believe there may have been exorbitant spending or what we call in family law dissipation of marital assets, and that is a technical legal term that you want to be careful not just throwing it around, because there's a several step test that you're going to have to prove to the court in order to establish that dissipation has happened. But in everyday terms, that means that marital assets have really lost their value significantly and demonstrably because of the actions or inactions of your spouse. And so if you have any concerns about the financial goings on or the financial infidelity of your spouse, feel free to give our office a call. We'd be more than happy to chat with you about what that might look like within the context of your divorce. And of course, as always, if you have any other questions regarding family law, feel free to check us out.